Are you stuck with the Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources DLL missing error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to help you fix this crash right now. To begin the walkthrough for Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources, the localized resource assembly for the core .NET library. It contains the text strings for system exceptions and error codes, e.g., in Spanish, French, or Chinese. If missing or mismatched, .NET applications will report resource not found or display garbled error messages when a process fails. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The standard manual fix is a full reinstallation of Microsoft.NET. Grab the latest x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from the Microsoft website and run them to restore the missing dependency. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library Resources. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.